everyone, myself Pushkar
and myself Kanan Chawla.
Today we are going to talk about a very real and serious situation faced by thousands of workers, that is safety in underground mines. Mine workers often work in very dangerous situation where air quality is poor and where temperature can rise without any knowledge, and very harmful gases like carbon dioxide or methane gas can leak without warning. These threats aren't always visible or detectable by human senses, and as a result, lives are lost or permanently affected due to late detection.
To tackle this issue, we have developed a smart safety helmet and a compact, wearable system that continuously monitors the surroundings around the mine. It is equipped with a gas sensor, a temperature and humidity sensor, and an emergency button. If any emergency condition is detected, like a rise in gas levels or temperature, the helmet instantly triggers an LED or a buzzer to alert the worker. What's more, using a Bluetooth module, the helmet can send real-time updates to a connected mobile, which is normally with the supervisor, to help them
Rescue him from the difficult situation.
Here are the equipments used for making the circuit. This is the Arduino Uno, which is the microcontroller board. This is the DST11 sensor, which is a temperature and humidity sensor, and it measures the temperature and humidity in the surroundings of the mine. This is an MQ2 sensor, which is a gas detection sensor, and it measures the gas level around the worker. This is the LED, which is used for alerting the miner, and this is the buzzer, which is a buzzer which starts up whenever an emergency is detected. And finally, here is a emergency button which can be pressed in case of any emergency.
Like this.
Also, we have a Bluetooth module which sends the real-time data to the supervisors, which can provide a quicker response in case of any emergencies.
So here I am going to explain the code behind the smart helmet. So first of all, I have included all the libraries which I am requiring, for example DHT and software serial. Then I have defined all the pin numbers on my Arduino, such as pin number 2, 11, 8, 7 and 9. Then then I have set the threshold values, threshold temperature and gas threshold, as you can see here. And initially I have created Boolean emergency false, means if the conditions get true, it will automatically triggers true. But initially I'm creating a false statement. Okay. So in the loop, the sensor will readily detects temperature, humidity, gas, and button emergency. Okay. And also I'm adding an conditional statement such as if I press small e or capital E on my mobile, it will triggers, means the boolean which I've written here, it will automatically turns on, and R, and if I switch R, it will automatically turns this off, means okay. And in the here I'm printing out the output which I'm generating from the above code, and it is a conditional statement. If the gas value increases gas threshold, LED will be lights on, and it is a delay 250 seconds, 250 here you can see. And also if temperature is greater than threshold, emergency trigger will be on. So likewise this code gonna work on my smart helmet.
So now I'm going to demonstrate the working of the smart helmet. So this device is going to attach on helmet of the mine workers, and here you can see the gas threshold is 10 and temperature threshold is 39, and the initially means the live temperature is 34 degrees and gas level is 18 degrees. So it is clearly seen that the temperature is below the threshold temperature, and therefore it is not alarming. But here you can see that gas threshold is 10 and current gas measurement is 19. That's why the LED is blinking up. So if I alter the threshold temperature to 30 degree, so yes, so here you can see that as a temperature is 30 degree, it is creating a noise. So if a mine worker falls in a difficult situation and he wants to call an emergency alarm, he can just trigger this button like this, and an alarm gets on. And also due to the Bluetooth sensor which is attached to the helmet, this device is also connected to the mobile of supervisor. In case of emergency, if supervisor want to call the mine worker, he can just send a message like E, and he can trigger a map. If we set an R, it will reset the buzzer. So like this we can save the lives of many mine worker and can help them.